Hi friends, welcome to Airdrops bot and welcome to Parallel Incentivized Testnet. So to begin this tutorial, we are going to visit Sepolia Foret and we are going to claim some Sepolia ETH. Note that you need to be logged into Sepolia Foret before you can claim test tokens from the Foret. And you need to have at least 0.001 mainnet ETH on your wallet so as not to be identified as bot. Now tap on Send Me ETH after completing the captcha. Next up, we are going to visit Parallel website, and that is testnet.parallel.fi. You will find all the links I used in this tutorial in the comment section for your convenience. You will receive a prompt to collect your wallet to Parallel Testnet. And once you are here, you are supposed to tap on Parallel Testnet to switch your wallet. However, as you can see, I am getting error prompts. So this is what you need to do. You need to go back to your MetaMask. And then on the three dots at the far right, tap on it. Tap on Settings. Tap on Networks. Tap on Add Network. Then tap on Add a network manually. Now you are going to enter all of these details just like I have done in this video. However, for you to be able to copy it easily, I'm going to post it on our Telegram channel, so you can just go there and then tap on the details to copy it and then paste on your end. Now after entering each of the details in their respective spaces, you are going to tap on Save. Tap on Switch to Parallel Testnet. I'll then go back to the Parallel tab and you can see that my wallet is automatically connected because I am now switched on to Parallel Testnet. Tap on the layer icon and tap on Airdrop. You will be prompted to enter a code to join this testnet, and the code that you are going to use is displayed on the screen right here. You are going to enter the code in this box, then tap on Next, and then you are going to sign your wallet to prove ownership. Tap on Sign. Next up, you are going to connect your Twitter account, so tap on Connect. Tap on Authorize App. Next up, you are going to follow Parallel File on Twitter and you are going to retweet their pinned post. So tap on Follow and tap on Retweet. Now tap on Start to join the testnet. Now before we do any task, we are going to open up another tab to use the Parallel bridge. And then we are going to enter testnet.parallel.fi/bridge. You'll find all the link in the comment section. And this is the essence of claiming Sepolia ETH earlier. We are going to bridge our Sepolia ETH into Parallel ETH. Enter the amount here, and in the drop down by the right, you are going to choose the token that you want to bridge. We want to bridge ETH, so I'm going to change it from DAI to ETH. Now I'll enter the amount, and then I'll tap on bridge. I'll then confirm in my wallet. I am going to open up my MetaMask wallet, and I will change the network from Sepolia to Parallel. Now I'm going to go back to the previous Parallel tab. Note that after bridging your funds from Sepolia to Parallel, it may take up to 30 minutes before the funds will arrive on Parallel. So I am back on the previous Parallel tab, and then I'm going to tap on that wallet icon. Then at the bottom of my screen, I am going to tap on Create Parallel Account. And I will have to confirm that transaction in my wallet. I'll tap on Confirm. Now, after successfully creating our sub account, we can then move forward with the testnet interaction. So I'll tap on that layer icon again, and I'm going to tap on Wallet to claim more test tokens. I'll tap on Get Test Tokens, and I'll confirm that in my wallet. Now, if you want to see your test tokens and test NFT balance, tap on AA Balance. So on my end, I was given other deed NFT and about 4 other test tokens. So I'm going to tap on that layer icon again. Then I'm going to tap on Lending. I want to supply other deed NFT, so I'm going to tap on Supply. Choose where you want to supply from. I'll be choosing Parallel. Then indicate whether you want to supply all of your NFTs or you want to supply just one if you have more than one. So I will be supplying my 2 NFTs. So I'll just mark the 2 and then tap on Supply NFT. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Now you can see my supplied NFT. I have supplied all 2 NFTs that I have. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and then I'm going to be supplying my test tokens as well. I'm going to supply USDT. So I'll tap on Supply. I'll choose Parallel and then indicate the amount of USDT that I want to supply. I'll be supplying 15,000, then I'll tap on Supply 15,000 USDT. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. I'll move on and then supply DAI this time. I'll indicate the amount of DAI that I want to supply and then tap on Supply, and then I'll confirm in my wallet. I'll do the same for Wrapped BTC. I'll tap on Supply. I'll choose Parallel Wallet. Indicate the amount, then tap on the Supply button. So as not to waste our time, I'll just repeat the process for the rest of the test tokens that I have. I am done supplying all of my test tokens. However, one feature is missing here, so I'm going to switch my browser back to mobile mode. Now I am back on mobile mode, so I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my screen to my supplied tokens. After lending our test tokens, we are supposed to also borrow, but the borrow button on most of the tokens are inactive, so we cannot use them. However, on my end, Wrapped BTC can be borrowed, so I'll scroll to the very bottom. So here you can see that the borrow button on Wrapped BTC is active, so I'll tap on borrow. My limit is 13 Wrapped BTC. You can choose to borrow the entire 13 Wrapped BTC, or you can just choose any other amount under 13 Wrapped BTC as long as you are on the safe mode. Now I'm going to check that checkbox, then I'll tap on borrow 9 Wrapped BTC. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Now after confirming, you can see all of your positions at the top of your screen. Your supply position, your borrow position, the tokens and the NFTs that you have supplied and borrowed. You would see all the record on the screen. You can also choose to withdraw, but I will not be withdrawing my tokens from the lending pool because it will affect my total transaction volume. Then you can also decide to repay as part of your borrowed tokens. Remember, I just borrowed Wrapped BTC, so I'm going to tap on the repay button and then just repay a little bit of it. I'll choose my parallel wallet. And then indicate the amount of Wrapped BTC that I want to repay. I'll be repaying just 2 out of 9. Then I'll tap on repay. And then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Repayment successful. Now if I go back to my borrowed position, you would see that I only have 7 Wrapped BTC left borrowed instead of 9 that I previously borrowed. So that is pretty much all you have to do on parallel testnet. You can still decide to borrow more, repay more, just play around with all of the features on the website. I'll go back to the top of my screen and then tap on that layer icon. Then I'll tap on Airdrop. Now tap on my team. And this is where you can copy your own invitation code and then share with others. If you join a team and the team have up to 100 members, then you are going to start earning 15% of all of the points that is earned in that team. And if your own team that you created also have up to 100 members, then you as the creator, you are going to earn 30% of the points generated in your team. So that is how the referral system works on parallel testnet. There are 2 more features that we are supposed to test, and that is AAV and Uniswap, but they are currently unavailable. So that is all we are going to be doing on this testnet today. If you have any questions, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you have found value in any of my content before, then make sure to give me a like on this video so that many other people can also get to see it on their timeline. And also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on other updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another tutorial.